This is Alexa telling Daddy all about her day today.
Did the same thing keep happening over and over? Or what else happened? Oh. And you got tired?
Must be tired.
Tears.
Tell Daddy everything else. What else happened today?
I'm listening.
Yes, we did take a bath today.
Oh, it's cold tears right now.
You do it.
And then you burped and hiccuped too?
You do realize the F-bomb is now on recording.
And you got tired. That was it?
Look at her hands.
So tell me about your day, Dad.
I know, right?
My day started when I came home. Oh, you forgot something?
Tell Daddy about the bathtub. You play with your little ducky today? Did you play with your rubber ducky? You squeezed the water right at Mama?
Yeah, you're getting frustrated.
You splashed the Mama too?
Yeah, you're getting frustrated now.
Wait.
You done? Yeah. You done telling me about the day? Yeah, okay.